On now to our top story. Is the Guru Shishya association between Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal history? And does this mean that a lot of the credibility of the Aam Aadmi movement has been eroded, since Anna has now made it absolutely clear that he does not, under any circumstances, want his name to be attached to Kejriwal's Delhi election campaign?
जितना पैसा था वो सारा पैसा खत्म हो गया था। फिर मेरा मैग्सेसे अवार्ड का जो 23-24 लाख की एफडी करा रखी थी मैंने पीसीआरएफ में, वो भी सारी खत्म हो गई थी। अगर एक भी पैसा इधर से उधर हुआ है, मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा दिल्ली का।
Arvind Kejriwal today denying his guru Anna Hazare's charge in a strongly worded letter that funds raised for their India Against Corruption campaign were being used for the Aam Aadmi Party's Delhi poll campaign. Speaking to NDTV, Kejriwal said he was not being allowed to explain the facts to Anna by intermediaries.
Yeah, actually I don't know why they are not letting me speak to Anna. I keep calling him, his PA never puts me in touch, and Anna doesn't keep phone.
Who are these people, do you think?
I really don't know, you have to find out.
But after Kejriwal sent a representative with a letter containing a detailed response to his questions, Anna seems to have softened somewhat, though he continues to raise doubts about his name being misused by the AAP to raise funds for its poll campaign.
जन लोकपाल लाने वाले हैं, अन्ना हजारे का जन लोकपाल, तो मेरा नाम जो लगा है वो ठीक नहीं है। मेरे नाम का दुरुपयोग हो रहा है, ऐसा मुझे संदेह है। इसलिए मुझे जवाब भेजना कि सच क्या है।
In his letter to Anna, Kejriwal gave details about the donations to the India Against Corruption campaign. India Against Corruption had a total of 54 lakhs in the corpus already, and they managed to get donations during Jan Lokpal which totaled to over 3 crores. But at the end of the movement, only 14 lakhs remained. Most of the money was used up in awareness campaign and on travel expenses. The Aam Aadmi Party's campaign funds are already being probed by the Home Ministry, and with Anna now raising questions, many say there may be no going back in the Arvind-Anna relationship.
कुछ लोग लगातार ऐसी कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो यहाँ से पोस्टर छपवा के भिजवाते हैं कि हम लोग उनका नाम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, जो उनको बताते हैं जाकर, और उनके चारों तरफ के लोगों को भी बांध के रखते हैं ताकि संवाद ना हो सके, लेकिन वो लोग कामयाब नहीं होंगे।
With just few weeks to go for the Delhi election, insiders say a careful strategy is being followed by the Aam Aadmi Party. Efforts are on to reason with Anna and not get into any public spat, since the party hopes that the goodwill garnered during the Jan Lokpal movement and their association with Anna converts into votes on polling day. In New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.
Well, Anna Hazare spoke to the media as well about his equation with Arvind Kejriwal, whether any equation actually exists at this stage. Let's listen in to what he had to say.
अरविंद को मैं कहाँ कि ये बुरा आदमी है, ये भ्रष्टाचारी है, ये लुटारू है, कहाँ पर मैं बुलाया? फिर ऐसा क्यों जोड़ रहे उनके साथ? एक नेक आदमी है, अच्छा काम करते हैं, पहले से मैं करता है। अरविंद को मैं डाउन करने का प्रयास करता हूँ, अरविंद की बदनामी करने का प्रयास करता हूँ। अरविंद को मैं ये जो उनकी पक्ष और पार्टी है, वो पक्ष और पार्टी में जो काम करते हैं वो गलत कर रहे, ऐसा कर रहा हो तो नुकसान होगा। कोई पक्ष और पार्टी का मैं प्रचार नहीं करूंगा, ना पक्ष और पार्टी के पीछे जाऊंगा, क्योंकि संविधान ये कह रहा है लोकतांत्रिक गणराज्य, जनता ने अपना कैंडिडेट खड़ा करना, चारित्रशील, पक्ष पार्टी विरहित, ये हमारा संविधान कह रहा है। आंदोलन के रास्ते से ही देश में परिवर्तन आएगा, पक्ष और पार्टी के माध्यम से नहीं, आंदोलन के माध्यम से ही आएगा। इस देश को जो नया जन्म मिला है 1947, वो आंदोलन के कारण मिला है, पक्ष और पार्टी की तरफ से नहीं।
So what then is the message that Anna Hazare is trying to send to Arvind Kejriwal? And is this yet another indicator of an equation going terribly sour? Joining us now to discuss this, Shazia Ilmi, member of the Aam Aadmi Party, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Rajya Sabha MP of the Congress, joins us as well. Thank you both very much for being with us. Ajit Ranade, member of the Association for Democratic Reforms, joins us. We'll be looking with Ajit at the issue of election funding, because it's something that affects not just the Aam Aadmi Party but also other political parties, the Congress and the BJP. Sunita Godara, an Anna supporter and social activist, with us, and Pinky Anand, spokesperson of the BJP. Shazia, let me come to you first. You've listened to what Anna Hazare has had to say. To many it seems like a bit of a climb down. He doesn't seem to be as angry with Arvind Kejriwal as he was earlier on. but he clearly says he doesn't want to be attached in any way whatsoever with your election campaign. Are you willing to accept that?
Well, of course, and he made it amply clear even in the beginning that he's not interested in being part of the electoral arena. He doesn't want to be associated with any political party or campaigning. His way to fight corruption is through an andolan, a movement, protests against corruption. Whereas we believe in Aam Aadmi Party that we have to be part of the system to clean it up. We just heard Anna Hazare say very clearly that I'm not insinuating Arvind Kejriwal is a bad man, that he indeed is honest. So as far as Arvind's financial integrity and moral integrity is concerned, Anna still vouches for it. Anna has raised very important questions which in fact have been looked into even earlier. So I think it's amply clear now that and what Anna feels about other parties is also very clear. So if Anna's words were to tarnish Arvind, Anna himself says that is not the idea. And how Anna feels about other parties
but
is
Shazia,
more than clear to everybody.
I know what Anna
So
said,
if
we heard him. But the question is this, will you
Yes.
stop using his name in your election campaign? Because whether you like it or not, his name is attached to the credibility of your party.
Well, absolutely. You know, we don't use Anna's photographs anywhere.
His
when
name.
We talk about
Are you going to stop using his name?
When we don't use his name. We talk about Anna's Lokpal bill because the Jan Lokpal is associated with Anna, but the draft was made by not just Anna but Arvind Kejriwal.
So you
Santosh
talk about
Hegde,
Anna's
Shanti Bhushan
Jan
and
Lokpal
Prashant
bill,
Bhushan.
and you mean to tell me that
Yes.
that isn't associated, then you are not associating yourself with Anna Hazare?
But the party is that the movement was a tipping point for the party. That was the genesis.
He doesn't want anything to do with your
even-
political party.
No, but he himself says that he vouches for Arvind's integrity. He's saying he don't use my name, we don't use his name, we don't use his photographs.
Okay. Abhishek
can
Manu
show any
Singhvi,
example where
let,
we've
let me
talked
go
about-
across. Let me go across to Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Sir, do you believe that the spat that we are seeing, and we could use the word spat in describing the equation between the Aam Aadmi Party and Anna Hazare, it has seriously dented the prospects of the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, something the Congress would believe is good news?
Well, I think it's impossible to be predictive or prophesy things about this, but there are two or three very important facets here, Shom. One is that it's a classic case of a mother saying very clearly this time, unequivocally, rather strongly and vigorously, that look, I have no umbilical cord to you, my child. If you are flaunting that umbilical cord, please put it aside. I disown you. I don't want to be connected with you. Now, it is not at all very clear as to whether the child is sticking on to that umbilical cord and associationally, indirectly or otherwise using the mother figure, in this case the father figure. Second, what is important is what Anna Hazare wrote hardly 2 days ago. Now, what he may have said, and I am not suggesting that they are fighting or that they are hating each other, that's not the suggestion at all. But very larger issues are raised because in a letter in writing, Anna Hazare has said that he has been told and he has evidence and he is seeking a clarification from Mr. Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party that a large volume of funds collected according to Anna during the time when the umbilical cord appeared to be intact have been misused, siphoned off or used otherwise than they should have been used. Because as you know, at that time there was no Aam Aadmi Party, and therefore monies then collected ought to have been used only for the purpose of which they were collected, which was the Anna Hazare movement. And he's also in the letter asking for a very clear account. Now, what Anna writes is more important than the language he uses today. Nobody is suggesting, I said, that they have to hate each other, but
Why?
clearly there is a very great distrust. And lastly, Vishnu, if Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has started with the legacy and the heritage of Anna Hazare,
Yes.
if they are constantly swearing by him, I think it is a bit of a sorry pass, which does raise questions amongst the public as to how the mentor, the legacy giver, the heritage starter is saying these things about them. Because this is a very dangerous and a small and a very commercial and a petty thing to say that, look, you may have taken away my funds. In fact, to use blunt language, it amounts to Anna Hazare bluntly saying to Arvind Kejriwal, forget all the niceties, I have heard and I have information that you embezzle my funds.